Alright, I just got my Bose A20 Aviation headset in. I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of it on camera just to show everyone what is actually inside of the product. It arrives in this nice box. I bought mine from Sporty's. I bought the Bluetooth model that has the 6-pin connector on it because I also bought a 6-pin to the dual connector so that I can go between multiple aircraft and still have that functionality. So I'll open the headset first. Well, actually I can open the 6-pin connector first. Just comes in this nice box. I already broke the seal on this one, but as you can see, this is the dual pin connector. Open this guy up here. And notice that these are the dual connectors. The quality is real good, and then it of course has the 6-pin here on the inside. So the quality is really nice. Looks like they were just twist tied here. But you get some decent length out of this. See the total length. It's of good heavy weight. This is very similar to like guitar patch cable. Seems very, very substantial, so that's good, and I was concerned about that. So that's that cable. And here's the actual Aviation headset. It's the outside of the box here. Very simple. At the bottom here. Appears that we have a little warranty information packet here. Go over that later. And then the actual owner's manual for it. And Bluetooth, of course. So, pretty substantial owner's manual, which is cool. Put that aside. Nothing inside the box there. Back outside. And this appears to be what it is. Cool. It's a nice carrying case here. It says Aviation headset on the front of it with, of course, a carrying handle. Then looks to be like a back stash pouch. Then some side little hangers there. Yeah, that's about it. Let's open it up. Looks like everything's shrink wrapped at this point in time. Pull out these bundles here. And first thing that's covered, just a quick caution about positioning this in the right place on your head. When you put it on, this cover was over the mic to protect that during shipping. And this appears to be able to be twist tied here. So inside this bag is 2 AA batteries, energizers. Then this is the patch cable for the 1/8 inch. It appears to be only stereo, just stereo. It doesn't seem to have that third ring on there for doing iPhone functions, which is totally fine. And this is the actual end here. Just letting you know, this is a warning letting you know there's a keyway for plugging in the headset, the 6-pin headset, and that's that end. Of course, my 6-pin connector will fit into this. We'll line up the arrows here. And it actually snaps in very solidly. There's a It's there's a little bit of a click even when it comes together, so you have to push this in for it to pull out. So it won't come out during flight, which is really nice. I'm very surprised with this. So again, pull back on the collar and then pull it out. And then of course here's the Bluetooth portion. Again, wrapped in bubble wrap. Looks just as I've seen on every other. The handle actually appears to be smaller than what I had originally anticipated it to be. I figured it was going to be longer, but this is great. I mean, I actually like the smaller size. Then you also have some of these clips which can easily come off. They just a little spring pop in here and they come off of the cable. I don't know if I'll use those yet. That's really that. And it appears to have a pretty long cable if I were to undo all the twist ties here. I don't know if I'll be able to get this all in the shot. But I mean, it's pretty long here. It appears to be about 5 feet long total, with of course this end being the shorter piece that goes actually into the airplane. And this is the actual headset. Again, just as I've seen, it's the little smaller ear cup size, but I've heard that it's very comfortable to wear. It's actually very, very light. Very surprised. The interior of this case, by the way, has a raised hard area inside of it that appears to support the headset when it's from being crushed. It also has an interior case for it's Velcro that can be for has a clear window for your license or whatever that may be. I don't know what these are, maybe pen storage or something similar. And then another kind of little pass-through area here for, I'm assuming, all the cables that go up and above it. But that's really the case. It's pretty nice. I mean, it looks good and a great container for these. But yeah, these are. This is the headset here. It feels very substantial. I know that a lot of people on YouTube are saying that this feels cheap, and just lightweight and stuff, and they're concerned about these cables breaking, but I'm really not. I mean, you can tell that it's made of high quality materials. Even the fur on the top here is really nice, and the ear cups are really, really incredible. So I don't foresee this having any issue for me at all. So I'm really excited to get to use it. But that's a quick overview of the A20. I was on the fence between buying an A20 and a Lightspeed Zulu, and I decided for the A20 because everyone says that the fit is so much more comfortable than the Zulu. The clamping pressure was an issue, and I didn't even want to get into the point where I tried having a headset with a clamping issue. I wanted something that's really comfortable right off the bat. Again, this is my first headset. Didn't plan on spending this much money, but I wanted to buy the first thing right out of the gate versus buying something and then having to rebuy it again. So this is why I bought the A20, and I'm really, really happy with what I've seen so far. So I'm excited to get some of these functionality pieces working within the cockpit and see how I like it when I fly.